What is Hosta-colored Hulk? As a passionate gardener, I'm always on the lookout for unique and captivating plants to add to my collection. Recently, I stumbled upon a fascinating variety called the Hosta-colored Hulk. Its intriguing name immediately caught my attention, prompting me to delve deeper into its characteristics and cultivation requirements. The Hosta-colored Hulk is a stunning perennial plant that belongs to the Hosta genus, known for its lush foliage and elegant blooms. What sets this particular variety apart is its vibrant and eye-catching coloration, which truly makes it stand out in any garden setting. With its large, heart-shaped leaves and bold streaks of color, the colored Hulk Hosta adds a dynamic element to landscapes and garden beds. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What color flowers do the colored Hulk Hosta have? The flowers of the colored Hulk Hosta typically bloom in shades of lavender or pale purple, complementing the foliage's hues beautifully. These delicate blooms emerge on tall, slender stalks in late spring to early summer, adding a graceful touch to the plant's overall appearance. While the flowers may not be as prominent as the foliage, they still contribute to the plant's visual appeal and charm. How to care for the Hosta-colored Hulk? Caring for the Hosta-colored Hulk is relatively straightforward, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Here are some essential tips and guidelines to ensure its health and vitality. Location and sunlight. Plant the colored Hulk Hosta in a location that receives partial to full shade, as excessive sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves. Soil and watering. Ensure that the soil is rich, moist, and well-draining to promote healthy growth. Water the plant regularly, especially during hot, dry periods, but avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Fertilization. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in spring to provide essential nutrients for robust growth. Avoid high-nitrogen fertilizers, as they can encourage excessive foliage at the expense of blooms. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Division. Periodically divide mature clumps of the colored Hulk Hosta to maintain vigor and prevent overcrowding. Divide in early spring or late summer, ensuring that each division has several healthy shoots and roots. How to propagate the Hosta-colored Hulk? Propagating the Hosta-colored Hulk is relatively simple and can be done through division or seed sowing. Here's a step-by-step guide to each method. Division. Dig up the mature plant in early spring or late summer. Carefully separate the clump into smaller sections, ensuring that each division has several healthy shoots and roots. Replant the divisions in prepared soil, water thoroughly, and continue to care for them as usual. Seed sowing. Collect mature seeds from the plant's flowers in late summer to early fall. Sow the seeds in a seed tray filled with a moistened seed starting mix. Place the tray in a warm, brightly lit area and keep the soil consistently moist until germination occurs. Transplant the seedlings into individual pots once they have developed several sets of true leaves, and continue to grow them until they are large enough to be planted outdoors. What to plant with the Hosta-colored Hulk? When selecting companion plants for the Hosta-colored Hulk, it's essential to choose varieties that complement its color, texture, and growth habits. Here are some excellent options to consider. Astilbe, with its feathery plumes of flowers in shades of pink, red, or white. Astilbe adds a soft and romantic touch to the garden, contrasting beautifully with the bold foliage of the colored Hulk Hosta. Ferns. Ferns are another excellent choice for pairing with the colored Hulk Hosta, as their delicate fronds provide a graceful backdrop for its robust leaves. Choose varieties with contrasting foliage shapes and textures for added interest. Heuchera. Also known as coral bells, Heuchera offers a wide range of leaf colors, from deep burgundy to lime green, providing a striking contrast to the colored Hulk Hosta's vibrant hues. Japanese forest grass. The fine, cascading foliage of Japanese forest grass adds a soft and ethereal quality to garden beds, complementing the bold presence of the colored Hulk Hosta. By carefully selecting complementary plants, you can create stunning combinations that enhance the beauty and visual impact of the Hosta-colored Hulk in your garden. In conclusion, unveiling the beauty of the Hosta-colored Hulk. In conclusion, the Hosta-colored Hulk is a remarkable plant that captivates with its striking foliage and elegant blooms. With proper care and attention, It can thrive in various garden settings, adding color, texture, and interest to landscapes and garden beds. Whether planted as a focal point or used in combination with other perennials, the colored Hulk Hosta is sure to make a memorable impression on any gardener fortunate enough to cultivate it.